Getting a couple questions about 5.39 from the homework. 55-gram sample of water is at 99 degrees Celsius is placed in constant pressure calorimeter. And then 23 grams of zinc metal at 22 degrees is added to that water. And the temperature drops to 96 degrees. What is the specific heat capacity of the zinc metal? And so where people are getting lost on this question is that we essentially have to do the same calculation twice. We have to do this calculation once for the water to find out how much energy the water loses, and then once we find out the energy that the water lost, we can do the calculation for the zinc to use that energy to find the specific heat of zinc. So we're going to be using Q equals mc delta T. And we're going to do this first for the water, but the important information we need is first, the water goes from 99 to 96 degrees. So the water loses 3.9 degrees Celsius. The zinc goes from 22 to 96 degrees. We're going to need both of these delta T's for the calculation. So the first calculation to find the energy that the water lost, Q of the water equals, we've got 55 grams of water. The specific heat of water is 4.184 joules per gram times degrees Celsius, and I go through a temperature change. I lose 3.9 degrees Celsius for an overall loss of about 890 joules of energy. And now, because the water lost this much energy, right, the zinc absorbed this much energy. So with respect to the zinc, right, that's going to be a positive Q. So that's all that we're going to do. We're going to basically switch out the information we have for zinc using the Q from the water. So the second calculation would look like this. The zinc absorbed 897 joules of energy, and that was for a 23-gram sample of zinc. I'm looking for the specific heat of zinc in joules per gram times degrees Celsius, knowing that this amount of energy caused a 74-degree temperature change with the zinc. So I run those through the equation, and I should find approximate heat capacity of zinc, specific heat capacity of zinc of approximately 0.527 joules per gram times degrees Celsius. So I think that was what was making this question hard. We had to basically take the energy that water lost and use that to find, along with the mass and temperature of zinc, what was the specific heat capacity of the zinc.